Did you know that a single negative customer experience can cost a business up to 65% of its potential future revenue? In today's hyper-connected world, organizations are bleeding customers and reputation due to ineffective customer service strategies. Companies struggle with high customer churn rates, negative online reviews, and a growing disconnect between customer expectations and service delivery. Customer service teams face overwhelming challenges, managing increasing customer expectations, navigating complex communication channels, dealing with emotional and demanding interactions, and maintaining consistent service quality under extreme pressure. Individual employees experience burnout, lack of clear support systems, and diminishing motivation in increasingly difficult work environments. This creates a vicious cycle of poor customer experiences and declining organizational performance. Our comprehensive training program provides a revolutionary approach to customer service excellence. Participants will master advanced communication techniques, emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, and strategic service management. The program goes beyond traditional training, offering deep insights into customer psychology, digital service platforms, and creating memorable customer experiences that drive loyalty and business growth. Organizations can expect a dramatic transformation in customer satisfaction, brand reputation, and customer retention rates. Participants will develop the skills to turn challenging interactions into opportunities for building lasting customer relationships, reduce service-related operational costs, and create a culture of exceptional customer care. The training equips teams with cutting-edge tools to exceed customer expectations in an increasingly competitive marketplace. This is more than a certification. It's a pathway to service excellence that can redefine your organization's success. Are you ready to transform customer interactions from transactional to transformational? Your customers are waiting. Seize this opportunity to become a customer service leader who turns everyday interactions into extraordinary experiences. Your journey to service mastery begins now.